In this video I want to show you two 20 Hz clocks with interesting properties. First of all, we have this one, and I will probably turn down my sound. I will turn my sound off for this video. One of the 20 Hz clocks has a property that the signal always looks off for the player, and all the things which directly react to it looks like they are off to the player, but they will be on for entities. So for example, other entities can go through this fence gate even though it's closed for the player. Well, that wasn't a good demonstration. That was a better demonstration. And basically the way this works is in every tick the player gets calculated in a different part of the tick than entities. What we do is we turn the pulse on in the part where the entities get processed, and turn the pulse off in the part in which the player gets processed. When you get this kind of thing that everything is that was weird. That everything is off for the player but it's on for all other entities. The most interesting thing is probably the boat, because the boat usually gets processed server side. But if a player sits in the boat, then it will get processed client side and then it won't fall through. And I just thought that it's interesting that you can make a clock which is on for entities but not for a player. Over here we have the opposite. Here we have a clock which is on for a player but off for all other entities. So if I place this door from here, this door is now an open door, and I can walk through it, but entities can't get through, because for entities this door looks like this basically. It's basically the way it looks for all other entities except me. And since the door looks like this for all other entities, the entities actually can get through this side of the door, because for the entities this part here is open while this part here is closed. And I will quickly place a boat here. So over here we have a trapdoor. This trapdoor is open for the player, so I can go through this trapdoor, and it also looks open to me, but this boat currently gets processed server side, so it will stay on the trapdoor. But something interesting is that that happens is that the client still calculates some kind of velocity for the boat, which is very weird. And you can get into ghost mode with this, and you can elevate yourself to very high heights. In general, there's this weird bug that if you do this, that you kind of get bounced upwards, and this is a more extreme version of this. If I go into this boat, first of all I will get into ghost mode. So currently I'm not actually here, and my position is desynchronized. And after a certain time I will go up very quickly, but it will take some time, and you can see that the game is doing some very weird stuff with high motions here. And now we are going up, and you can see if you look at the Y coordinate, you can see that we go up very high. It's possible to go over 10,000 blocks high with this, but I don't think that we will go over 10,000 blocks this time in this video, because I haven't waited long enough. But basically the boat built up motion all the time after I placed it on the trapdoor, and it built up motion server side, because when the player got processed, now I'm falling down, now I should get out of the boat. Because when the boat was processed player side, the trapdoor was open, so the boat got client side motion. But when it was processed server side, the boat actually didn't fall down. So you can see that I relatively easy got up to 4,000, and currently I'm at 3,000 because I'm dropping down again. And with a lighter you can then travel over very large distances, and I thought that this was kind of interesting. But I will teleport myself back down again, and I'm now in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I just thought that this was some interesting behavior, so I thought I wanted to show this. And generally boats are really weird in the 1.9 snapshots, and here you can see that the trapdoor is closed for other entities. So I just wanted to put these two clocks out there and see whether anybody else finds something interesting with these clocks. Bye.